everyone, so I welcome you all to my new blog, and this week blog has also got a lot of excitement and fun. I hope you will love it, so keep watching. So my week started with the most tasty and delicious dahi vada aludam. Literally, Odisha people has a different fan base and emotion for this food. They can literally eat it in their breakfast, dinner, lunch, whatever you can say. And then, as I mentioned in my previous blog, that one day after my mamu's birthday, it was my mommy's birthday. So my mother was making a cake for her. Earlier, when I used to bake, like in the starting phase, I learned baking. I used to make cakes for my family members so that I can practice and learn. So, the same thing I'm applying with my mother right now so that she can practice and improve in the icing and decoration of the cakes. She is learning quite good, and we celebrated her birthday in a very nice manner. And as South Indians, we literally can't say no to idlis, it's mandatory. On Wednesday, there was a food fest conducted in the building in which our office is located. So, me and my team members went there after having a lot of confusion on whether we should go there or not, and we tried some sweet dishes. It was really good as most of them were homemade and it was prepared by the members of the office. एंड हमारे शिफ्ट ख़त्म होते होते पता नहीं क्या होता है, सबका दिमाग से टक जाता है या क्या, वी बिहेव इंसेनली. पर यही चीज़ें ही हमें पूरा दिन को सरवाइव करने में हेल्प करता है. द ऑफिस वी आर वर्किंग is literally our second home. It is a part in which we are giving almost 9 to 10 hours. For some people, maybe 14 hours a day. And if it's not fruitful, if the work we are doing is not satisfactory, if the environment we are working is not satisfactory, if the colleagues or the people who are surrounded by us are not that good, it hampers a lot of things. Currently, the company in which I'm working, it's really good because the people surrounded by me are very helpful and supportive, and the work environment that the company is providing is also very good. Like my past 6 months after leaving my first job, this company has literally made me grow to a level in which I'm satisfied with myself and I'm learning a lot of things on day to day basis. So ऐसे ही हम लोग कभी कभी प्लान करते हैं कि we go out and have a team bonding, and इस फ्राइडे पता नहीं हमारा बहुत सारा मीटिंग्स था तो वो उसमें ही ख़त्म हो गया. बट ऑब्वियसली कभी कभी काम ज़्यादा रहता है एंड हमें उसके साथ भी मैनेज करना पड़ता है. बट क्या करें, वी हैव टू डू according to the company's demand. But anyhow, the week ended on a good note. So after a hectic week, my weekend started with testing a microphone that I got from Amazon. So soon I'll be posting a review on this microphone, and you can find the link of this microphone in the description below. As we all know, weekends are for fun. It's for outings or any other musty, but at the same time, like in the recent weeks, I've been getting a lot of orders on the weekends. So this week also I had orders for 5 to 6 cakes. On Saturday I was having an order for a toddler cake. It was a cocoa melon theme cake. So I made this cake, and then I had 4 more cakes to make because Sunday was my father's birthday. So I wanted that I should complete all the tasks on Saturday so that I can enjoy and give time on Sunday. While working, I got hand on these cute little gold coins. So it was not real gold coins, but it was a chocolate which was wrapped in a golden wrapper, and it was given a shape of a gold coin. It was really cute. And then my mom baked all the sponges in the morning. So after completing the toddler cake, me and my mom went for a shopping. So I'll be going to a 4 days trip next week, for which I needed some stuff. And then we went to buy a gift for my father, and I'm hopeful that he will like it. So this is a place I used to go as a kid to buy my lunchbox and water bottle. So for office also I went there, and I really felt quite nostalgic. So सब काम खत्म करते होते रात के 11 बज गए. Surprise my father with this gift. Yes, soon it was time to surprise my father. So around 12 o'clock, while everyone was wishing him, I went and bought the surprise gift for him. At first he was very surprised, like what is this? What have I got? But I could see the happiness on his face when he was unboxing the gift, and he told me that I really wanted a gift. I was wishing for this gift and you bought it. So I felt really glad that at least I could complete one of his wish. Maybe it's not that huge, but I'm happy that he's happy. So after wishing my father, I completed all the pending cakes. रात के 12 ऑलरेडी बज चुके थे, बट आई थॉट कि आज ही ख़त्म कर लेती हूँ ताकि मैं संडे को फ्री रख पाऊँ. तो सब काम होते होते रात के 2 बज गए, बट आई वॉज ग्लैड दैट एटलीस्ट आई वॉज फ्री फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे. बट येस, स्टिल 2 पेंडिंग केक्स, बट not gonna make the video now. Yes, I couldn't film all the cakes, but these are the cakes I made. And then I slept, and then I was excited and fresh enough to spend my day. So the watch I bought yesterday, it was of leather, and my father told that he will be in trouble if he wears it on Monday. So we went and exchanged the watch and got a better one. So everyone assembled for lunch, and we had a lunch party, and then we cut the cake. I was really happy that everyone came for his birthday celebration. घर जब इतने लोगों से भर के रहता है तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत खुशियाँ मिलती हैं. As we celebrate together, we are happy together, and it makes everyone happy. So we celebrated his birthday, and thus my week ended on a very good note. I was glad that I was able to make him happy in whatever means I could, and I'm really excited for the next week vlogs as well, and I know you guys are too, so keep watching.